Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about the Gold House MT5 expert advisor. And before we dive into this expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns all built in, and you can download it for free by using the link in the description below, so be sure you check it out. It's worth it. And talking about the Gold House MT5 expert advisor, it is a swing breakout system for gold that has been picking up interest on MQL5, and it has its live signal and recent updates. Of course, it was developed by Chen Jiaqi, which I think is a Chinese man, and we have its live signal here. We're going to be breaking down this expert advisor. I also had the opportunity to run my backtest on this expert advisor, so I implore you to watch this video up until the end to get the entire thing. The developer calls it a gold swing breakout trading system. It tracks the most fundamental price structure, the swing high and low breakouts, no fixed time entries or simple indicator crossovers. Instead, there are 5 independent breakout strategies run simultaneously, and each one can be toggled on or off for around the clock coverage. It uses multi-layer directional filtering, so it only takes trades with the overall trend and avoids blind counter trend entries according to what is being marketed here on the MQL5 page. They stress that this comes from their internal live trading account validated on 7 years of data and not curve fitted just for the listing. They also have mandatory stop loss on every single trade. It is marketed as no greed, no martingale, and smart trading stop plus partial closes to let profits runs. And the standout feature is the adaptive risk control. We have the SL, TP, and trailing automatic scale with gold's price level, so you set it once and it stays effective long term. So you can see on the live signal, it is running on a $2,000 account, and they show 43% growth in 10 weeks, and the profit factor is about 1.96, about 48% win rate, max drawdown around 7%, and low deposit load. Moderate trading frequency with 25 trades per week, and average hold time of 42 minutes. They recommend low spread ECN brokers with gold spread under 25 points and suggest starting from $100, but optimal at $1,000 to $2,000 plus on VPS. And that is that from the developers live trading signal. And talking about the features and the settings that they have, like I said, they have 5 independent strategies for full structural coverage, and it's left for you to choose. They also have adaptive risk management, and they have on chart panel for monitoring. They have weekend auto close protection. They also have max spread filter and built-in cool down after stop losses, and proper risk rules like reserve margin buffer and so on and so forth. Well, they really push the clean risk boundaries and the fact that it's from real internal trading. So let's look at my back test. I had the opportunity to test this on a live market, and it was tested on gold on the 1 hour time frame over a full recent year. I think from April 2025 to April 2026, as you can see, and it was tested on a $10,000 initial deposit, and the equity curve looked solid. You can see it, nice steady climb with only shallow pullbacks throughout. Ended up with about $3,297 profit, and the profit factor is about 1.86, and max drawdown just 4.3%. Nearly 1,000 trades with win rate hovering around 49%. Realistic. And I would say this is one of the cleaner gold systems out there. It handles trading volatile periods really well, but honestly, it's very sensitive to spreads. You absolutely need a true raw spread account, or those tight breakout edges get eaten alive. Live results will likely be a bit worse than the backtest because of slippage, especially around news events. And it's obvious, you can see the backtest look better, but the live results are also good, as they've seen 43% growth in 10 weeks. That's commendable. And I would say that the settings that actually matter are the 5 strategy toggles, which you can change. They have 5 independent strategy toggles, and you can change this. But they also have the risk percent per trade, they have the max spread filter and weekend protection, and all of these control how the expert advisor behaves on a day-to-day basis. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a legitimate multi-strategy swing breakout EA, and it has proper risk controls, no dangerous martingale stuff as you've seen on the charts, and it shines when gold is moving but can grind through small losses during those typical 1 to 3 months consolidation periods and range in markets. It's best suited for traders with $1,000 to $2,000 accounts, 1,000 plus accounts, and a good low spread broker, and the patience to let it run without interfering. It's not ideal for tiny accounts under $500 or for prop firm traders or anyone who needs high win rates and constant action. I would say that the profits and drawdowns like this can differ a lot depending on the market conditions and the exact lot size and risk settings you choose, and even between the 5 independent strategies which I mentioned that you choose, it can all affect the profits and the drawdowns. And have you tried this Gold House MT5? If you have, what do you think about it? Drop your experiences in the comments and tell me which EA you want me to review next. If this was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss future tests like this, and don't forget to grab that free robot from the description below. Trade safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.